Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi, but I'm going to a different Aldi in the area today because I'm running errands that took me to a different side of town. So I'm excited to go into a new Aldi. I've been here several times, but it's just not my regular. And I'm going to go in. I don't actually have a ton to get because of summer and changing schedules and lots of social events between my family, kids. It just takes us different places that I don't necessarily plan. So I have actually 3 meals from last week's meal plan that jumped over to this week. And that means I don't need a ton more to supplement for the week. So we're going to get in, get the goods, and don't forget at the end, I'm going to share with you my revised meal plan. Who knows if we'll stick with it this week, and any recipes I mentioned will be linked below in the comments. Right when I walked in, it said the fruit and vegetables, so my list is not in order this week. Strawberries are only $1.69, so I'm gonna probably get a pound. They don't look the best though. I gotta hunt, but I'm gonna find a pound. I'm gonna get a bag of Gala apples. My son requested apples, $2.99. I'm gonna get 3 cucumbers. My kids want these, easy to slice and add to meals, so I'm gonna get 3 at 65 cents a piece. Mini avocados, we've been really enjoying these. They're easier to catch when they're ripe, $2.89. My teen daughter asked me to get iceberg lettuce instead of romaine, so here I am making her dreams come true, $1.59. Okay, so I'm at the new store and I'm with Ednan, and he said he recognized me from being in the videos, so say hi.
Hi. I like watching the videos, they're really fun. So.
Thank you, and it's always fun to have a supportive Aldi employee. I always feel weird filming, so thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Have a good one.
You too.
So we were gonna have burgers last week and they moved to this week, but I'm gonna get tomatoes to slice for the buns, $1.89. Sugar snap peas, $2.39 just to go with our dinners. Okay, so the new store has no red sticker goodness, but they do have baguettes, and I need 2 of these this week. My teen also asked me to grab these to make sandwiches with, and then we're gonna have one as a side for dinner, $1.69 a piece. We're getting Italian bread also, $3.69 for the loaf. Bread, butter, and cheese is one of my family's favorite things to have as a side, very simple. I'm getting a loaf of white bread for toast, and grilled cheese is how we mainly use it, $1.29. We are having red beans and rice, me and the girls. My boys don't like beans, but they'll have leftovers that night. But I'm getting 4 cans of dark red kidney beans at 76 cents a piece. I'm getting nitro peanut butter. We give this to our dog every night, a little bit on a bone. It's like her nighttime signal. She loves it. $4.29. 49 cents per pound. Haven't bought bananas. Don't want that one. Haven't bought bananas in a while, so I'll grab them. Here in the Aldi Finds aisle, I feel very backwards in this store because everything is just set up different than my store. But these berry keepers are really nice. I have berry keepers not from here, but they really do keep things better. It lets the moisture drain and keeps your berries longer. These tea infusers are so cute, $4.99. They have dog, cat, bee, little leaf. Lots of great office and home and kitchen organization. I think these are really cute. Snack storage bags, but you have to hand wash them. I was kind of hoping they'd be washer safe. That's more my style. They have all the pretty pillows here. Boho decor. They have planners. Now this one is not in the right area. I love Aldi planners. I know people wait for these year round. Oh, here they are. This is like an Aldi favorite. I love this. It's a good day to have a good day. That's super cute. Happiness is an inside job. Really cute colors. 12-month planner. So they're undated, so you could pick this up and start it whenever, which I think is really good. And then a perpetual calendar. So not based on years or days, but kind of uplifting things that you can see every single day. Actually, it reminds me of my mom. She'd probably like that. The non-name brand, but Aldi version of hanging hooks. Bins. Oh, here's what else I was looking for. Teacher planner. I love this one. You make a difference every day. Funny little pencils. That's cute. Lots of different teacher planners. I don't know why they're over here, but oh, here's more. Oh, and they have student planners. So they're only $7 a piece. And these ones are dated for the school year. Oh, I'm gonna have to get these. Okay, I keep cards at all times. They're so easy to just write someone a note when you have something. So I'm gonna get these at $4.99. There's 50 of them. Such a great value. My mom always did that, and it's something that I've stuck with doing, and I think it's worthwhile. I like this pack right here. Shows you all the designs. I also like that dotted one, but I don't see. Let me see here. Yep, I'm gonna get these. Really cute. Okay, another favorite of mine. I've actually gifted my daughters these for dry erase in their rooms, and then they're permanent markers. Only $7. A really good value, and we have found that they work really great. Also, I bought these last year in different patterns, but they're really cute. I just have so many still from last year that I am not rebuying, but for $3.99, they're little lunch notes. Someone's already opened this, not me, but you can see it's a little card. Hope your day is deluxe with extra cheese. You deserve the best. Look how cute. Okay, this is gonna sound a little crazy, but I'm buying this turkey to train my dog. We're trying to teach her recall so she comes perfectly when we call her name, and I've read that deli meat is really good. Simple, like high value snacks. I'm gonna get this for $4.19. I'm gonna grab these chips. I don't necessarily have a plan for them, but the funny thing is my whole family ridiculed me when I bought these to try, and now we all love them. They are so good. Barbecue, salt and vinegar, and ketchup. Really delicious. $2.19. Great by the pool. I'm really bummed they have 0 of my waters here. We are running low on vegetable oil, and I plan to make zucchini bread, so I need some vegetable oil. We had someone come to our house to use the pool, and they brought us zucchini, which I thought was so nice. I'm getting vegetable broth for the red beans and rice. I'm so excited that they have it at this location too, but the last few weeks I have really wanted to try this bucatini pasta. I have no idea if I'm saying that right. Tell me if it's wrong. It probably is. But on Pinterest, a bucatini recipe popped up, and so we're having it this week. It's a very simple vegetarian pasta dish. I'm gonna have it with bread, butter, and cheese. $1.89 for this. Okay, I see these premium hot sauces, and I'm gonna get Nashville hot for my husband and hot honey for myself. We both love hot sauces, and those both sound really, really good. $2.99. In the Aldi Finds food aisle, I see these chipotle salsa con queso and green chili. Those both sound really good to me. I don't have a need for them this week, but I might remember these for next week if we have them. But they look good. $2.29 a piece. Okay, so their freezer section is very different than ours. They have these wide, big cases. Lots of ice cream. Everything is very well organized here. I'm very impressed. Oh, lordy. Stroopwafel vanilla ice cream sandwiches. I haven't even looked at the price, but I'm getting them. My daughter and I, and probably my son, will love these. We love stroopwafels. $4.95. Yum. Good news, they have the only thing my husband asked me to get, vanilla ice cream. You guys know he loves this stuff. $6.49. This side is equally as impressive, and I really like that this right in front is where they have the prices. You guys know I love these everything. Frank's in a blanket, yummy. Oh yeah, mini vegetable samosas. Those look yummy to me. $4.49. Southwest chicken taquitos, yummy. They'll have those next week. We could have those with the queso. My teen had a lot of requests this week. She also asked me to get tater tots, $2.79. I'm getting broccoli just for a side, 97 cents. I'm getting white wine for the bucatini pasta, $3.45. I go with the winking owl. Simple, easy, works well. Whipped topping, $2.79. We are having blueberry pancakes. That was moved from last week to this week, and we love to put whipped cream on the very top of our pancake stack. I love this as a snack with black pepper and pistachios. $2.39. Love their cottage cheese. $3.19 for butter. Okay, I have successfully navigated the new store. Here's my shopping cart. Like I said, it's not too large. Any guesses on the total this week? I am going to use the self-checkout. We don't have these at my local Aldi, so I'm excited to give it a whirl. I like that I can set up my major bags and get started that way and kind of scan strategically. My last item to scan is my wine. So I'm interested to see how that goes.
Please scan an item.
Okay, so I'm at $83.41.
Receipt.
This is a little scary.
Thank you for shopping at Aldi.
But look, everything's packed already. Yay. Okay, back from Aldi, spent just over $83, and here's my meal plan for the week. We have cabbage and noodle soup that came from last week. I'm making red beans and rice. Me and my girls love this dinner, but my husband will have cabbage and noodle left over. I'm gonna make bucatini pasta. I'm probably saying the bucatini wrong, but I'm gonna make that with the steamed broccoli. Gonna have Italian bread. Emmy's here saying hi. We're gonna go out for my mom's birthday this week, so I look forward to going to do that with her. I'm making the blueberry pancakes with breakfast potatoes and bacon. We are having a going away dinner for my brother-in-law who's moving to Singapore. And then finally, we also have the burgers and potato wedges still. So this is my meal plan from the week. I know it looks a lot like last week's, but it was pretty simple to add additions to what we had on hand and got me under $100.